What's going on, lads? Back with a brand new video once again in the shade, because that's all we do, because we don't be anywhere else, we don't have lives. But in the previous video we're actually in Mondello, so we had a bit of a life. That light is doing some mad shit. Bradley, see that light over there? It's like doing this flickering thing. Watch. It's flickering. One sec, we fixed this. Fixed? Lovely, no flickering, right, that's fixed. So on today's episode we are working on my 180. See what I did there? Pretty fucking sweet, isn't it? So these are a new sticker that are now live on the website. I hope you like it. And we also have these new ones. Pretty cool. So these are now live on the site if you want to go grab some stuff. We also have the new 180 merch on the site as well. If you're interested, go on and have a look, and loads of other things. So now to the point of this video. So today is a very engine fulfilled day, because apparently everyone else in the whole shed's after putting engines in except me. So my car is here, usually in Connor's shed, but not at the minute. My engine we built, sitting here. Chez's car, we have the beams put into it. This is nearly ready to go. Done a full restoration. Have loads more clips on this. I will dig all them out. And then the IST 100 that we previously done, we sprayed the engine bay blue for Jake. He's after putting the 1J in it. And Adam, the fella who hasn't touched his car in 27 years, is after actually putting his engine in. Don't ask me what engine it is. It's what engine is this? I'll have to get confirmation. Right, so I've just been informed it's a Frankenstein build, I'm after forgetting already. K24 bottom end, and a K20 head. And that's what gives you Frankenstein. So now, just have to wait for Duffin to come out and finish it. So, the plan is, we need to get this lump into this car, but we have the adapter kit here for it. We have Connor's old engine mounts for the 14, which are kind of the same, just have these little tabs on them, so we have to grind them off and put some nuts in it. Now these are only kind of temporary, just to get it into the car. We'll buy some more after. Bradley is reading. What are you reading?
Look at your fiend, look at him.
All these Japanese drivers.
Some boy, that fella.
Right, better set up the engine crane, I suppose. Right, so I just want to show everyone how handy this stuff is. I found this in work from the painters that they left when they were... Yeah, I got this in work. So look how handy this is, right? Wherever you're going working on the car, boom, put that down there. You don't want to scratch your paint, no problem. Oh, sorry, that was such bad example.
That worked well, didn't it?
Yeah. Probably should have stuck it before I done it. Oh yeah, look at that. In all fairness, boys, don't ruin those arches for anyone, or the front wings. Watch that. Amazed, absolutely amazed. Right, so first part, pulling off the bumper, taking off the wheels. I was Bradley just gave the engine bay a quick wipe down. I forgot actually what colour it was. I don't know, can you see this? Might be hard to see on the camera, but yeah, it was actually mint. It's mad how dirty and everything the bay has got from a car that's only been moved twice on a trailer. Crazy. That's Ireland fit. So plan now is we're going to find bolts for the engine mounts and then try rig this up and just drop it in, just see what happens. Hopefully it'll work. Right, so we just modified the S14 engine mounts. Now we don't know if this is going to work. I bought this adapter kit off Max Speed Rods, but there's these extra brackets, not sure what they're for, so I'm hoping that's just going to bolt in. So I'm going to get the engine crane, strap up this engine, and it'll either fit or it won't. If it won't, there'll be an engine for sale. See how it goes. Right, so we're just ready to put the engine in, and we're just waiting on... Wait, I can hear him. Can you hear him? Oh, I can hear him. I think that was a handbrake turn. I think so. Was it?
I think so, yeah.
Watch the weather out, you're wearing shorts.
I need to tighten up that handbrake, eh?
Yeah, you do, yeah. Everyone was watching you do the skid.
That was pretty good, wasn't it?
Was it? Right, hey, put that in there.
We don't want to go down skids in this then?
Yeah, we bring this out after. Right, so progress update. We figured out that the other bits of the engine mounts are actually for the car. So now I think we're ready to lift it in. I'm going to hand the camera over to Unglads and they can just video it. Not Carney because he deletes footage. Maybe Darryl. Darryl's new an upcoming drifter. Watch him, boys. Watch out for him, boys. Crime time. Good luck. Nice and slow.
How are you?
How are we?
Nice and slow.
Dirty one, lads.
Oh, dirty one hack.
Oh,
Pass. Up hack. Oh. Up where? Up in the fucking air.
Right, hold on. Whoa. Right.
I told you hold it. Right, are you anywhere near lined up? I'm lined up here.
Yeah, so you come in and push the engine in time.
Yeah, they only fit the holes.
You didn't test that.
I'd say the holes are a bit small.
Anyone test the engine? Oh.
No. Hello, Bradley, now.
We'll have to cut the video till the next scene where we actually pre-tested stuff.
Right, jack her up a bit.
But I think it's only because of the way the engine's sitting.
Right, steady now, Hack. I am steady. Right. Mine are. Is yours sitting on it, Sam?
Just about.
I'll leave her down small and see.
Yeah, it's quickly a Hack's decision.
Oh, right, mine's.
Oh, yeah, well, I'm in.
Oh, yeah.
Mind your fingers.
Anyway, we're going nice and easy now, Hack.
Yeah, we kind of just done the double bounce on it.
Oh, wow. Nice and handy now.
I am handy.
I'm in.
Yeah, buddy.
Right?
Oh, boy. I don't think them end mounts are meant to go that way, Sam.
Oi.
My one's at their fucking.
P45.
It's in the car though. See it?
See when they turn them end mounts.
Yeah, it's leaning. Yeah.
Do you even drink that anymore? I try that now.
I do drink it, yeah.
Oh, you do? Oh.
Still recording.
They've been gearbox.
He didn't give me no sense, no. I'll give away my gearbox, I'll go buy that one.
Where's it gone?
I sold it. Well, no, I didn't actually. I gave it a loan to Sean because he wanted to test something. Next when he sent me a picture of the whole bell head was stripped off, he goes, hey, I owe you a gearbox.
Sound.
Sound shot.
Shouldn't do a nose ring.
Oh no. That's mint. That's the way it's supposed to be.
It's actually sitting. Oh, that's actually sitting nice.
Yeah.
Fired the fuse box, but.
Ah, yeah, we can move that.
Sitting lovely.
On both the fuse box, move it over here.
For mid first.
It's square with me.
Those engine mounts are not going to be happy now.
Yeah, but they'll be alright.
When the gearbox is
Sure, when the gearbox is in.
gearbox is going to be alright.
Them are fucking fair nice, but. Ever try them, no? Them are nice.
Product, but no product placement. Yeah.
We're not getting paid for that.
Yeah. Well, what we do get paid for is when you buy merch off the website.
How do you work these ones?
Where's me this back?
You have to put enough engines in your car now.
Whoa. Sorry, she didn't hear you.
Yeah, we do it right, but we do it twice.
Red Bull gives you wins.
Well, this is only in one, so let's see how many more times it can take it in and out.
The battery didn't even go dead, Darryl. The screen just went off.
No, I realise that now.
About a 9-minute DVD up in the car.
No, 35 seconds.
Alright, not bad. Longer than we usually get.
Hey, does the bonnet close?
Hi, Shane.
We want to go.
You look like a man now. This evening.
You can register engine forward to where I want to be.
No, there might be.
Right, so as you've seen, we've got the engine in. I'm happy where the engine's sitting now. We're after taking the car off the lift. So the plan is now is run the Rb engine lumen through. What else I'm going to do is I'm after getting the ignition bar off Paul's striker, so I'm going to put that in. I'm going to run power to the car, and I'm going to see if anything actually works on this car because it's been 10 years without power. So that's the aim of what I'm going to get done now, and then we'll wrap it up, and then hopefully we'll start making some serious progress in this car because there's track day in 4 weeks. I was a small bit optimistic, but if I can make it, it'd be pretty cool. So let's just see how we go. Right, so Rb20 loom out, Rb20 loom in. This loom is actually not cut or anything, it's actually in really good condition, so anyone stuck for Rb20 loom, let me know, I'll look after it. Now I wish I could say the same about the Rb loom, but it looks like, you know, the plug's broke, or these pins came out of the plug or something, so that's not a job for me. It's a job for Stiv, not for me. But also, so there's another wire running out. So this wire goes into the motor where this one was, so they're both obviously for the motor. I don't know. And then one goes into the lambda sensor, and then these other lads, I'm guessing, would go here on a 32. So I'm guessing these plugs have to be altered or changed once again. Another job for Stiv, not for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna put down the camera for a minute and I'm just gonna like just start burying into this. So let me just BRB. Right, so I've been just going around putting in bulbs and stuff where bulbs should be, trying to figure out what's going in where. Now I've never built a chassis before, so I don't actually know what I'm at. Carney's working on the back. He's just sanding down all the earthing points because everything is painted over. And yeah, hopefully we'll see some stuff working now soon. Right, so great news, we actually have power going through the car now. So this light is brighter than this one. I'm going to put it down to earth. We couldn't figure out for ages. We had the front lights working and nothing else working. Now see this big agricultural bolt I just stuck in here? Turns out that was a main like fuse or something. So we now have the, turn on the ignition. I was going to say there's something smoking, there's two fucking smoking flames. So the blowers are now on. We have the, turn off the lights because this will come on then. So this is working. We have turn on the first light, the light in here, the clocks are working, and in all fairness lads, watch him. I am absolutely buzzing. I'm just going to go through a couple of more things here and we'll see what happens. I just wanted to show you this because it's pretty good. I just actually. My dad usually annoy people, but I'm just glad it works. Right, so have an indicator here. Have one parking light, that one's not working, power issue. Another indicator. And come around to the back, and we have one indicator working. But how good does back lights look? I'm not sure what these ones are, but I'm guessing probably reverse lights. We need to look into that. So I'm just going to keep on wiring shit. This is so good. Right, we had enough of the wiring. It's after getting a bit too late. I put the car back onto the lift. It just looks unbelievable. I've David's wheels on the front, absolutely leaking. So that's enough for today. We're going to go at it tomorrow again. That'll be a new video. We're going to go at the brakes and everything. But for now, I'm tired, I'm finished. I want to get food. Carney is
Off to bed.
Carney's going to bed. I'm going home. You know what to do. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.